सकते हैं। जो एक्सपर्ट्स के पास जा रहे हैं वो जाएं, अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करें और देखें कि डिप्रेशन और एंजाइटी, वरीसम, सेल्फ पिटी ये सब दूर होती है कि नहीं, और अगर नहीं होती है तो उन्हें खुद ही काम करना पड़ेगा इस पर, क्योंकि प्रॉब्लम वहीं से जनरेट हुई है। द प्रॉब्लम इज़ नॉट आउटसाइड द बॉडी, इट्स इनसाइड द बॉडी। आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट हेयर एनी metaphysical thing. Let's take a simple examples as a people we do in normal life. So one by one we will go into all things and we'll see if this works in order to get rid of depression, anxiety, self-pity, anger, jealousy, envy, and violence, fear. So everything is which this body involves. So the main cause of this depression, anxiety and all other your problems. First of all, I would like to say what is a problem. A problem is a thing that you are finding a solution for, or you don't have a solution for. The thing is called problem. So this problem you are finding a solution. So बहुत सारे मेथड ढूंढने के लिए निकल जाते हैं कि एक मेथड मिल जाए। मेथड इन्वॉल्व करता है मैकेनिकल रूटीन, मैकेनिकल रूटीन इन्वॉल्व करता है एक सिस्टम जो प्रोसेस ए से लेके प्रोसेस बी, प्रोसेस पूरी प्रोसेस इन्वॉल्वमेंट इसमें है। प्रोसेस के लिए एक अथॉरिटी भी होगी जिसने तुम्हें प्रोसेस प्रोवाइड कराई होगी, उसको अथॉरिटी कहते हैं। अथॉरिटी की वजह से और ज़्यादा डिप्रेशन होता है। तो ये एक्सपर्ट, साइकोलॉजिस्ट और ये सभी लोग एक तरह से इसमें अथॉरिटी का काम करते हैं। अथॉरिटी होने का एक नुकसान ये है कि जो ह्यूमन बीइंग है उस पर डिपेंडेंट हो जाता है। अथॉरिटी जो कहेगी वही सही है और बाकी सही नहीं है। तुम क्वेश्चन कर सकते हो, लेकिन अथॉरिटी ही या ये एक्सपर्ट ही तुम्हें रिकमेंड करेंगे कि क्या करना है और क्या नहीं करना है। इसलिए अगर एक्सपर्ट्स को, इन सभी लोगों को आप अभी ड्यूरिंग दिस वीडियो थोड़ी देर के लिए साइड कर देंगे और सिर्फ इन्वॉल्वमेंट रहेगा तुम्हारा इसमें। तो जिन लोगों को डिप्रेशन, एंजाइटी और ये सब प्रॉब्लम है तो फिगर आउट कर सकते हैं कि कैसे ये प्रॉब्लम अराइज होती है। और ये डिप्रेशन अलग अलग फॉर्म में निकल के सामने आता है। मीन्स different problem is arising from the depression, anxiety, self-pity and etc. And this individual problem is just an expression of that main problem. So you have to cut the main problem, the root of the tree, not the branches of the tree. The branches of the tree are not the solution. When you cut one branch, then there is another branch. इधर से कोई प्रॉब्लम रिजॉल्व करने के पीछे लगे तो दूसरी प्रॉब्लम राइज हो जाएगी। तो कोर, इन सब प्रॉब्लम्स का कोर क्या है? तो अगर हम इस सब प्रॉब्लम के कोर में जाएंगे तो थॉट इज द रूट कॉज ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, आई एम नॉट प्रोवाइडिंग यू एनी सोल्यूशन. यू हैव टू लुक इनटू योरसेल्फ, एंड इफ यू थिंक इट इज द cause of the problem, then you will be figure out that this can be resolved by a little bit of pondering over into this thing, that thought is the root cause of all the problems. Now, what is thought? We think that this thought is me. We identify ourselves with this thought. What is thought? Let's have a little experiment here. An experiment like you have to imagine an elephant. Now change the color of this elephant into red color. Now change this elephant into a hammer. Now change this hammer to a balloon. Now change this balloon to the sea, ocean. Now change that ocean into yourself, image. Now change this your image into mobile. So this was the movement of the thought, and everything which you are watching is thought. Now the person who is trying to modifying that thought is again that thought. So the thinker is generated by the thought. See, according to the book of Daniel Kahneman, Thinking Fast and Slow, there are two systems. First system involve automatic thinking, fast, and second is slow, which we are calling the thinker. Now, for example, if I am gonna say a question to you, the answer of that question you're gonna automatically get from your system 1. So the question is 2 plus 2. So you have the answer for your automatic system. You did not do any effort for it. You haven't made any effort for that. You just answer is in front of yourself immediately, automatically. Now if I tell you to multiply 4799 into 7546, then you cannot find the answer for that. Then you have to involve your system 2 in order to figure out the answer. So that answer is not in your memory. So therefore the thinking is the response of memory. If there is no memory, you cannot think about. The mind is recording all the time, having in the memory. Then the response or reaction of that memory is the thinking. And the thinker is not available if there is no thinking. So as you were watching, you're thinking all the time when I was telling you to change it into a hammer or elephant or a self-image or an ocean. Then whenever you are in depression, self-pity, self-anxiety, fear, anger, you have to watch it with full of your attention. You have to watch it. You don't have to act out of it. You just have to watch it, like you are watching a river flowing by, or like you are watching the video. This time I'm talking to you full attentively. You must have hearing the sound of this vehicle sound, but when you are attending my voice, you cannot see any sound. Like you are living by a river, and after 10 or 20 days you won't be able to hear the sound of the river. So that is how you have to watch your depression, self-anxiety, and thinking all the time. The words and images are rolling over and over, and nothing is permanent in this world. Therefore you will see a tide of the words goes up, then it goes down. Therefore nothing is permanent. So whenever you feel yourself in depression, anxiety, fear, anger and violence, envy or jealousy, you have to just keep watching it yourself. Why you have to watching it yourself? Because the anger is not different from you. The depression is not different from you. The depression is your psychological reaction to the thing happening outside or thing generated by the thought. So the person who is suffering from anxiety and anxiety are one thing, because you identify yourself with one thought that that person is suffering, and the another fact is anxiety. So this person is suffering and this is anxiety. They both are one thing. Like when someone scares you too much, so you have a feeling of fear inside your body. So inside your body, whatever inside your body is you. Like your hand is you, your face is you, your nose, your eyes is you. That's why your psychological response is you. Therefore depression is you. So what is you? You cannot do anything about it. So you have to just keep watching it. If you do anything about it, it will become a mess all the time, and there is an unlimited chaos in your thinking all the time. So you feel depressed. So therefore you do the things out of it. So you have to keep watch it whenever you are depressed or in anxiety or in any of your problem. Therefore the thought is the root cause of all your problem. So just try this experiment. Do not agree with me, do not accept my authority. Just try this, and if you see if the tide of depression goes down, and you may do your other activities which you are doing all over the day, then whenever you tackle this problem, you have to watch it. After some time you see that there is no depression, anxiety or other thing causing you any harm. Thank you.